Hello, everyone. Now I am going to talk about my navigation. So, travel to Eje Cafetero. That is a place where I know wonderful tourist places such packets of coffee, tamales of Santa Rosa of Cabal. I am that place. I have many delicious food. Um, I am tough and cool shower because going to the world port. Finding web, I've beser Panaka Park. I am Panaka Park at Rove. I work so many different animals. So taught with my navigation en Quimbaya, 45 minutos from Armenia, are de 103 hectáreas that make open Panaka, the free park in the world dedicated to the cultivation of the 103 hectáreas, 46 are for the park, 6 for the hotel, and 51 for crop at a minuto of say of the ecological path of 2.8 kilómetros is covered.